Okay, friends, start now example number 5 for further studies. Verify whether 2 and 0 are zeros of the polynomial x square minus 2x. Let p of x is equal to x square minus 2x. Then first we put a value of x is equal to 2. So p of 2 is equal to square of 2 minus 2 to the 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. And second one is x is equal to 0. So p of 0 and square of 0 and 0 multiply any one number is 0. So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Hence 2 and 0 both zeros of the polynomial x square minus 2x. Let us now list our observation. जो अबव एग्जाम्पल्स हमने लर्न किए उससे हम क्या कंक्लूजन पे आए, ये मोस्ट थिंग है. इसको आप लर्न करना, इसको रिमाइंड करना, इसको रिमेंबर करना है. फर्स्ट वन इज अ ज़ीरो ऑफ अ पॉलिनोमियल नीड नॉट बी अ ज़ीरो. ज़ीरो may be a zero of polynomial. Every linear polynomial has one and only one zero. A polynomial can have more than one zero. Polynomial can have more than one zero. And now I give you a homework of example number 1. And now let's see example number 2. It is exercise 2.2 and question number 2. Find p of 0, find p of 1 and find p of 2. Each one sum we put a 3 value. So here is each one sum have a 3 nominal sum. First p of 0, so where y there 0. Then after p of 1, where y there 1. Then after p of 2, where there. Okay, so in this 4 sums is same to same. So as an example number 5 we must do, and we go for further, and further is the example number 3 is verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. इसमें आपको जो पॉलिनोमियल्स दिया है उसमें x का वैल्यू रखना है और आंसर फाइंड करना है. दैट्स सो सिंपल. जस्ट लाइक p of x is equal to 3x plus 1. Now put a value of x is equal to minus 1 upon 3. So 3 into minus 1 upon 3 plus 1. So 3 is cut and plus 1 minus 1 0. So p of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. Same as example exercise 2.2 of question 3 is too easy. Sum of 1 indicates x value, number of 2, number of 3. Okay, just like in question number 3, example 3, p of x is equal to x square minus 1. X is equal to 1 or minus 1. So first you do x is equal to 1. So p of 1 and x square minus 1. So 1 square minus 1. Then after p of minus 1. तो जो सम है उसमें दो वैल्यू x की दी गई है, तो दोनों वैल्यू हमको लेनी है x की जगह पे. where x there this value. Okay, don't forget this, it is too easy for our executing. And example number 4 is find the zero of the polynomial each of the following cases. तो आपको कोई भी केसेस में इज इक्वल टू 0 लेके x का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. जैसे हम स्टैंडर्ड 8 में इक्वेशन सॉल्यूशन करते थे, x का वैल्यू फाइंड करते थे, वही है. जैसे कि x प्लस 5 इज इक्वल टू 0. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज x प्लस 5 इज इक्वल टू 0 and 5 is convert to opposite side, so minus x is equal to minus 5. That is the zero of polynomial. Each one the same process you must do there easy. If you have any problem in any one sums in any topic regarding, then personally WhatsApp me and personally call me. Okay, don't worry. First you complete this exercise 2.2. First you complete exercise 2.2 and then after we go for further. You must do example 5 and important 4 points below the example 5, and then after you complete the exercise number 2.2. Okay, and now if you have, once again I remember you, have you any problem, then call me or WhatsApp. Okay, bye, take care.